A good morning to all of you. I welcome in the second semester. Today, we will see the introduction of our syllabus, Communication Skill in English, Semester 2, FY BA. Now, in this semester, you have 5 units titled as Basic Language Skills, Vocabulary Building, Editing and Summarization, Writing Skills, basically email writings, how to write sponsorship email, thank you email, inquiry email, invitation email, report writing, and creative writing. So let us study the each unit in detail. In basic language skills, vocabulary building, what you have? You have antonyms and synonyms. Then you have suffixes, prefixes, root words, homophones, and homonyms. Collocation, changing the class of words. Class means verb, adverb, adjective, noun, changing how the class of words changes. You have, so on the basis of these things you will be asked multiple choice questions, as we have given examination of multiple choice questions in the previous month. So in unit 2, you have editing and summarization. In editing includes headlines, titles, punctuation, spellings, substitution of words, use of link words and other cohesive devices, removing repetitive and redundant elements, and summarization, discerning the main idea, identifying the supporting ideas, eliminating irrelevant information, integrating relevant ideas in a precise and coherent manner. These are the things which is included in the unit 1. Then unit 3, writing skills. You have email writings, format, yes, from email address of the sender, sent day, date, time, to email address of recipient to whom we are sending, CC optional, BCC optional, subject, greeting, dear sir, respected sir, greetings, body of email contents, closing, thanking you, closing, sign off, your name, what your designations, email or contact details, that is sign off. Important components of an email, effective email. Subject line should convey the main point of your emails. Be as specific as possible. Greetings. Use some kind of greeting to address the recipient. Dear dot dot dot. Hello, Mr. Hi. If you don't know the name of the person you are addressing, or if the email addresses a group, suppose it addresses the group to whom it may concern, is often written, dear members of XYZ committee, hello everyone, like this. Greetings. Closing, just I told you, thank you, best wishes, see you tomorrow, regards, warm regards. This is closing. For very formal message, yours sincerely, yours faithfully. Sign off. Always sign off with your name at the end of your email. If the reader does not know you well, include your title and the organization you belong to. dot dot xyz name, associate professor, college, and city. That is sign off. Writing effective emails, thank about your message, purpose and outcome. Be brief and clear. Use a separate paragraph for a separate idea. Be careful about the tone of the message. Format format the message so it is easy to read. Proofread before you hit the send button. Proofread before you hit the send button. If it is send and you have not proofread, if it is mistake, then time has gone. Email, you have five kinds of emails: invitation emails, the occasion, event, the venue, the day, date, time, other relevant details about your organization. Request to the receiver to accept the invitation. Then sponsorship emails, the occasion, event, the beneficiaries, the day, date, time, and other relevant details about your organization. Sincere request to the receiver to sponsor the event. Emails, inquiry, introduce the agency, writing the letter, request for information, purpose of inquiry, details of inquiry, promise of potential business, request for prompt reply. Then another email you have thank you, gratitude for attending the event or occasion, venue that the person brought to the event occasion, promise of a long-term relationship with the organization, and with a goodwill message. Emails, permission email. Yes, you are expected to write address who is authorized to grant permission, request for permission to, write like this. You have to write in subject, request for permission to use garden, to use hall, like this. Give reasons for the request, assure the authority of your full compliance with rules of good behavior, of appropriate conduct, etc. Request for details regarding money matters. Agree to cooperate with the authorities. Permission email. Then you have unit 4, report writing. Eyewitness report. In eyewitness report, focus on event, day, date, time. Answer the 5 W's and 1 H: who, what, when, where, why. Explain how the event occurred. Follow the chronology of events. Use sensory details and action verbs to show exactly what happened. Present events in a clear, logical order. Use first person narrative. No exaggeration, personal opinion, or drama. Use precise language. Newspaper report headline catch the readers. Headline often catches the reader's attention. Dateline, city, date, one has to mention. Byline, name of the reporter. Lead, the first paragraph gives the main details of the story in succinct form. The following paragraph provides answer to the questions what, where, when, why, and how. The paragraph short and crisp give information in a clear and concise way. References what people said either using direct speech or reported use of past tense because the report refers to an event which has already taken place. Then after newspaper report, you have activity report, written following the completion of the activity, title, day, days or day, date, time, venue of the activity, background to the activity, objectives, details of the activity in chronological order, evaluation of the activity, follow up action plan, acknowledgements of collaborations and sponsors, conclusion. Annexures, if any, list of participants, feedback form, activity, scheduled, etc. Story writing, last unit. Deciding on a plot. What is the plot? Choosing your characters, planning your setting, creating conflict, structure of narration, dialogue, resolution, twist, blogging, maintaining a diary, Instagramming, being active on social media. This is was older paper pattern. Then thank you. So you have this syllabus of semester 2. Thank you.